My name is letter E. I'm a vowel and I say eh, like an elephant and egg. These are my vowel friends. Letter A says ah. Letter I says E. Letter O says O. And letter U says ah. When I come at the end of a word, I play magic tricks on my vowel friends. I make them say their names instead of their sounds. But first of all, I have to stay quiet. I also play tricks on letters G, S, and C. Make sure you watch the video to the end to see my tricks. Look at letter I in this word. It says E, pin. But when I come at the end of this word, I keep quiet. I make letter I say its name, I, pine. So, pin became pine. I also change fen into f, I, n, fine. Hop becomes h, o, p, hope. Rob becomes r, o, b, robe. Hat becomes h, a, t, hate. Mat becomes m, a, t, mate. Cub becomes k, u, b, cube. Cut becomes k, u, t, cute. Now it's time to play magic tricks on letters S, G, and C. I can change the k into s. I can change the g into j. The s becomes z. Are you ready to read some more words?
Yes!
Let's go! Hug becomes hudge. Aha! I change the vowel and the G when they stand next to me. So, hug becomes huge. Huge. Rag becomes rage. Rage. We don't say Mickey, we say mice. Mice. We don't say Ricky, we say rice. Rice. As you can see, I changed the vowel and the C when they stand next to me. We don't say Rossi, we say R-O-Z, rose. Us becomes use. I changed the vowel and the S. This is one of my tricks.
Fat.
Fate.
Mat.
Mate.
Hat.
Hate.
Din.
Dine.
Fin.
Fine.
Slim.
Slime.
Hop.
Hope.
Rope.
Rope.
Knot.
No.
Cub.
Cube.
Hug.
Huge.